Hello guys, welcome to How to Browse Your YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can move a loop cut in Blender. So let's jump right into the video, and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you out and you learned something. So let's actually go in edit mode and let's Control R to add a loop cut. And now if you want to move the loop cut, let's say you already moved it here, but now you don't know how you can change position. Look, it's not what you want, but I'll show you how you can do it. And you can do it this way: press G and then press G again. Now you can move the loop cut. So 2 times G. Okay, when you press twice G, you should see here this like clamp on, right? And now you can move as you want, as you wish. So at the moment, you can move it the way you want without any problems. So I hope this video helped you guys, and I hope you learned something. And as I said, don't forget to press G twice if you want to move, okay? And I'll see you guys now in the next video. Take care.